The Fasenmyer Conference is a hallmark event in the School of Engineering where we celebrate all the hard work of our students in their senior design projects for the year. It is a time when students come together with their industry sponsors, where they come together with their faculty, and there's also family and friends to show the work that they have done and the progress that they've made in this year. One of the things that we do really well at Penn State Behrend is work with industry. And so we want to make sure that our students are working on real-world problems. So we ask our local industry friends to give problems that maybe they haven't had a chance to get to in the company, and our students can work on these. So the students experience real-world problems, putting their engineering skills to the test. My favorite part is just seeing the students, seeing them work with their sponsor and the pride that they have in their project. It's something special and it's something unique that we do here at Behrend.